Hello class, my name is Lawrence Edmond and I am doing my Math 134 project. I did it by myself, and the StatCrunch I chose was worldwide dollars made on Marvel and DC movies, and it was actually a comparison in the StatCrunch. So I have 10 movies, each by different titles, and this is the worldwide income they made in millions of dollars. For question 2, my data set is a sample because it was only the 2 movie companies used for the data set. 5-number summary, the minimum is 300.218018 million, Q1 is 757.930663 million, the median is 856.2900885 million, Q3 is 1084.439099 million, and the maximum is 1518.59491 million. Question 4, evaluate the mean, variance, and standard deviation. Here are the pictures of my one variable statistic. For the mean, it's x bar, which is the sum of x times n. There's the problem, and I got $878.89 million for the mean. Variance is x squared. There's that, and I got that. So the standard deviation is s, which equals the sum of xi minus x squared divided by n minus 1, and I got $359.18 million. And that is part 1.